In this video, we will see indexing in string, as string is sequence of characters like here we defining some name is Rahul. So I want to check the zeroth character of this string. So this is R. So because the counting start from 0, so it is returning name 0 is R. So when what is second character, so it will be H. So what will be last character? So we can access the last character by -1. So this is L, and second last character by -2. So this is U. So we can by this way we can use indexing in string.